welcome to my channel. Please make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. On today's look, I'm gonna just show you, well, I'm just gonna show the eyes, how I done the eyes. I did, you know, the rest of the face off camera, but on today's look, I'm just gonna show you my representation of why I celebrate Easter. So this is my representation, the red lips for the blood. Of course, you see the cross and the angel wings and the halo. So the angel wings and the halo, I recreated this look from, I think her name is Angelic Beauty, and I saw that look and I really loved it, and I just wanted to recreate it and add my own little twist to it, and just to show a representation of why I celebrate Easter. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And cross earrings says Jesus loves me. So enjoy the video, guys. Okay, face is done. Time to start on the eyes. So my crease color is going to be from my Violet Voss Pro HG palette, and in the color Transition. So that's going to be my transition color called Transition. Now taking my Morphe 15D palette, Editor. Now I'm going with Epic. Oh, now I'm going with a darker brown, which is Desert. Blend that out with a clean blending brush. Now I'm adding the darkest brown on this palette, which is called Sweet. And my clean blending brush, blend it out to soften those edges and just blend it all in together. And as you can see, I'm using like windshield wiper motion. See the difference from when you blend it and when you don't? It looks kind of harsh, so it's good to blend it out. Now time to do the cut crease. So for the cut crease, I'm going to use my Revolution cut crease canvas. I'll probably use this brush. Or I'll probably just go with another brush because I kind of struggle with this brush. It's kind of thick, so probably just go with my painted brush. This white shimmer that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is my holographic glitter from Lit Cosmetics. I'm going to be using those two. I added a little bit more glitter, which is gold. I did that while I was charging my battery. And for my cross, so I do a white cross. Now for the white cross, I use my NYX white liquid liner. And I'm going to use the same liquid liner for my eyeliner. I'm going to attempt to do some angel wings. Okay, finished with the angel wings, which this liner is like the more you apply it cracks. So I'm kind of not pleased with this, and oh well. For the gold liner that I'm going to put on top of the white, I'm going to see how this Cover FX glitter drops work. Because I want it to be like a soft gold. Let me see. I'm going to use these two colors, Editor and Epic. It's Editor and Epic. I'd probably go with Desert as well. The lipstick I'm going to use is by Dope Queens Cosmetics, the color Cheeky Booty Shorts. I'm going to do a red lip because of the representation of red, which is his blood that he shed. I love this liquid lipstick. Okay, I'm going to apply the mascara and lashes off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with the completed look. So I applied my mascara and my lashes off camera. This is the completed look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Leave your comments. You know, I love your feedback. Sorry for my voice. My voice kind of gives in and out. But yeah, this is my complete look of my representation of why I celebrate Easter. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And enjoy the next video, guys. Be blessed. Bye.